Hello, math lovers. So we have been solving NJSLA release item questions. So one of the interesting questions also on the screen. So you read the question by yourself, take a pen and just like a scrap paper, you try to solve the question by yourself first. If you know the answer, it's good for you, you learn it. If you don't know the answer yet, let's dive into the question together and let's learn it. You can pause the video, you try. So let's get started. How is possible that x to the power 4 minus 81 here can be written in multiplication of three different terms? So it's a kind of factoring, you know, but it's a special factoring. It's not a kind of factoring. Definitely by multiplying these terms and by distributing these terms, we cannot get x to the power 4 minus 81. What we need to know here, the required knowledge, okay? The required knowledge is difference of squares, okay? difference of difference of squares. You can Google it or you can just search on YouTube about difference of squares. Means if you have square of difference of squares of two things, okay? A squared minus b squared. So what kind of expression we have? Or what is the expression that when you multiply it, you got a squared minus b squared, okay? There are three special cases actually. Okay, one of them is like if x plus 2 multiply by x plus 2 itself, okay? What we have? X minus 2 multiply x minus 2. It's a kind of consider it as an example. If x plus 2 and x minus 2 multiply by itself, okay? So x plus 2 multiply itself, which is x plus 2 whole square, which is x times x square, which is x times 2, 2x, and 2 times x, 2x. From there, 4x will come. It is not only simple like x plus 2 whole square is x squared plus 4. No, there is a middle term also, okay? And plus 2 is 4. X minus 2, which is x minus 2 whole square, x square, negative 2x, which is 4x, negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, okay? So they have same sign here. In this case, both of them positive. In this case, both of them negative. But here, guys, x plus 2 and x minus 2. It's almost same expression with a negative sign with a positive sign. Here is x times x is x squared again. 2 times x is 2x. I'm writing now why open. And negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 and positive 2 is negative 4. In this case, negative 2x and positive 2x cancel out each other. We have x squared minus 4. It means that when I multiply almost similar terms with opposite sign, we got difference of square. Why difference of square? Because it is x square minus 2 square. So when you see x square minus 2 square, it means that you can write it as x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay? Because of the, we call it square difference. So when you have a square minus b square, which means you can write as ab addition multiply ab difference, okay? So you need to, if you memorize it, you memorize it. We need to know this, okay? Most of the time we come across this in algebra 2, when we study mathematics, we see this always, okay? So now we need to consider that x to the power 4 minus 81 is if x to the power 4 is square of something or 81 is square of something. We need to consider that. The 81 we know already. 81 is 9 square. 9 times 9. What about x to the power 4? X to the power 4 is square of something. Which expression? Which expression square? Means which expression multiply by itself we got x to the power 4. Since x to the power 4 even number, so we can consider the half of it, which is x squared, because x squared times x squared is x to the power 4, okay? So which means x to the power 4 is x squared, okay? X squared squared. Because of that, x to the power 4 minus 81 can be written x squared minus 9 squared, which became now square difference. What are those square? One of them is x square, one of them is 9, which means that without considering their squares now, without considering their squares, I need to write it x squared minus 9 multiply x squared plus 9. Okay? So x squared minus 9 and x squared plus 9 multiplication will give you x to the power 4 minus 81. Okay? We can try it here, really. It is so or not. X squared minus 9, x squared plus 9. Okay? Let's do distribution. X to the power 4. Let's do x squared and 9, which is plus 9 to the power 9 times x squared. And we are done. Then negative 9x squared, negative 9x squared, and negative 9 times positive 9, which is negative 81. So negative 9x squared, positive 9x squared cancel out each other. X to the power 4 remains. First term and last term, which is 81. Okay? So we factored out till this. But when I see here, I have three factors. One of them is this. One of them is quadratic. Others are not quadratic. Okay? Linear. It means that one of the term can be factored further. Which term can be factored further? Let's carry down all the way here. X squared plus 9, I will write first because it is not a square difference. Here, in this expression, we have one more square difference. What is that? Actually, that square difference is x squared minus 9. Why x squared minus 9 is a square difference? Because x squared 9 is 3 square, okay? So there is another square difference here. So how we can expand x squared minus 3 square? So without taking their squares, I write them as x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay? So the first one remains same as x squared plus 9. Now, x to the power 4 minus 81 written in this format. Okay? So it means that x to the power 4 minus 81 has three factors, which is x minus 3, x plus 3, and x squared plus 9. So when I look at the original question, they asked that x squared plus a, x plus b, x plus c. So it is obvious that a is 9 here, okay? A is 9 here. If I choose b as positive 3, then c I need to choose as negative 3. Since there's a plus here, it doesn't have any effect here. But when I choose negative x plus negative 3 is x minus 3, okay? Or x plus 3 is as x plus 3. If I choose b as negative 3, then c I need to choose positive 3, okay? Vice versa. But both of them negative 3, both of them positive 3, I cannot choose. Because of that, I should write 9, 3, or negative 3. If you write another version, 9, negative 3, and positive 3. Okay? So I hope this square difference helped you a lot. It will help you in the examination as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.